This could probably double as a flashlight. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be doing a review of the Neutrogena Light Therapy Acne Spot Treatment. It's quite a mouthful. This is a clinically proven acne technology that has been used by dermatologists for over a decade. So that's pretty cool. It has red and blue lights that infiltrate the skin, so it stops the appearance of breakouts and reduces the breakouts before it happens. So once you see a pimple form, just use it on your face and hopefully it will prevent the breakout from happening. So they use light therapy. This is not a gel or a cream. I have used the gels and creams before to treat my acne, but I wanted to give this one a try since this looks pretty cool. On the box, it shows the picture where it looks like it's targeting the bacteria and it has the blue light and the red light. UV free and chemical free, which is awesome. It also tells you to store at room temperature, so don't put this along with your jade roller in the fridge. Don't do that. And the way that you use this is for 2 minutes, 3 times a day. So each pimple you have, you use it for 2 minutes, 3 times a day. So let's go open this up. Okay, there's the brochure, and there is the pen. Oh, this is so cool. Looks exactly like the image without obviously the purple lights because I haven't turned it on. You could probably hide this in your pencil pouch and no one can know that this was a acne treatment. It will just look like a regular pen. There's a power button right here, and when you look at the tip, it has these 3 grooves and it looks like it's for the light. There's actually a piece of glass that covers the 3 spots so you don't accidentally touch it, and it helps it stay clean. And before I use it, I'm going to take off this little plastic thing on the bottom. Last week I had a major breakout on my chin, so I really wish that I had this to try this out, but this week I have some random breakouts. I have one on my nose, a couple here and here. They're pretty small so you can't see it. There's one on my forehead. I also want to test it out on my chin because there are still some remnants of the acne on my chin. Let's try it on here first since I've had this for 2 weeks now and it hasn't gone away, so hopefully by using this it will make it disappear. Like this video if you like testing new technologies. So before you use this, definitely start off with clean skin. For this video, I washed my face and I just did my eye makeup and my eyebrow makeup. So my face is all clean and ready to go to use this. I actually washed my face with Neutrogena Hydra Boost Water Gel. I love that cleanser and I use it every single day. So now let's go test this out. So I'm going to test this spot right here. I'm going to turn it on. Oh my gosh! What is this? Okay, this is a really strong light. This is close to what the picture is showing you in the box. So this is super cool. Okay, so I'm gonna put this on the spot. Whoa. Just gonna let it stay there. High tech for your face. Don't mind it. Okay, so I guess we're going to be doing this for the next 2 minutes. So it's going to take some time. But basically, you don't feel anything, which is awesome. Have you ever gotten one of those pimples that come out of nowhere, then it just keeps on growing and growing, and you know it's one of those pimples that will be a big one? It's just hard to get out. It's not like one of those pimples where you can easily pop out. And I know that you're not supposed to pop pimples, but sometimes you just can't help it. So let's just go wait for this a little bit longer. Definitely do have to have a lot of patience or watch a YouTube video while you're doing this. I've been watching so many YouTube videos. Oh, it beeped. Okay, well obviously it didn't make my pimple disappear right now. I think I pressed a little bit too hard on this since there is a mark, like a circle around the pimple. Now I'm going to repeat it on my other blemishes. Okay, I'm just gonna do it on my chin right now. You could probably do this anytime. Like if you're watching a movie, just use this so you don't feel the actual 2 minutes it takes to use it, because it does feel like a while if you're just waiting for it to be over. Don't feel anything. It doesn't feel painful. I'm gonna use it on this spot as well. Okay, so I just finished doing all the spots on my face that I wanted to try this out for. I'm going to do this as the recommended, so 2 minutes 3 times a day, and I will check in back with you after a few days. Hopefully this decreases the inflammation on my skin and reduces my acne. Make sure to subscribe down to my channel. See you guys in a few days. So it has been 5 days since I last shot the video, so I wanted to check in with you and see what I thought about the Light Therapy Magic Wand. That's just what we're calling this right now. So far, I really like it. At first, I was a little bit skeptical because light therapy, what is it? How does it work? Does it actually work? But let me tell you that this works so well. So they tell you to use it 3 times a day. I think I've used it like 2 to 3 times a day. I would use it in the morning and also at night. If I remember to use it 3 times a day, then I would do morning, afternoon, and also evening, because you know, life gets busy. So last time I showed you, I had a pimple here, if there's like a speck that hasn't gone away in like 2 weeks, I had one there, and I had one on my chin. So the one on my forehead has completely gone away. So the one on my cheek, that was something that I've had for like 2 weeks, and it has diminished since I've been using this. And the pimple on my nose disappeared. I was concerned about the one on my nose because in the past when I've gotten pimples around my nose area, it would take so long to get it out and cleared up. So using the Light Therapy wand, it definitely diminished my pimple. And this one right here, it still looks red, but basically I got another pimple like 2 days ago. So the old one actually went away after I used this for a couple of days. But then I got a new one because I obviously stopped using it in that area. This has diminished a lot since I've gotten it 2 days ago because I've used this every single day. It's just a little bit red since it's still inflamed and stuff, and I know that will take a while. I just need to keep on using this. But the pimple is no longer raised and it's like my normal skin right now. So I'll probably just use this a couple more days until the redness goes away. But oh my gosh, this works so well. I am so happy right now because I can actually bring this anywhere I go. It's so small. It fits in your purse, it fits in your clutch. So I will definitely bring this around with me. Also, I don't have to worry if I have a big event that I'm going to. I can just pop this and use this if I see any blemishes on my face. No more being stressed having pimples. I know that with pimples, if I use this consistently, then it will just go away after just using this some time. So I had my wedding last year, but I wish I'd gotten this before then because I was so concerned about having any blemishes on my face on the wedding day. So I feel that if I'd gotten this earlier, then I wouldn't be as concerned as much about having blemishes or having pimples show up. So definitely get this before you have your wedding. Also, I started looking up more about the wand, and I think it's actually HSA and FSA eligible, so that is a plus if you have HSA or FSA. But every insurance is different, so make sure you do your research before buying this and seeing whether it's eligible. What else do I like about it? So I like how it's not a cream or an ointment to your face. I got this for $17 on Amazon, so it wasn't very expensive at all. And it's definitely a great investment for your skin. You only have one skin, so $17, I think it's worth it for taking care of your skin. It treats the skin inside out, which I think is really awesome. I wish I found this out like years ago. So yeah, I highly recommend this. Thanks so much for watching my video. I hope you found this to be informative. Make sure to subscribe down to my channel below if you're not a subscriber. And also give this video a thumbs up. And let me know if you try this out. I'm curious to see what you think of it. Also, I run a blog called The Smarty Femme, so be sure to check that out as well. I post very regularly and I'll have it linked down in the description box below. Okay, so I will see you guys next time. Bye! Ooh, this could probably double as a flashlight. Oh my gosh.